What's up, you all? Today we're teaching you how to play PCVR games on your Quest 2 completely wireless, and we're going to be doing it utilizing SteamVR. So let's go ahead and get right into it. There's two first essential steps before you even get started on anything. Make sure you have the Oculus desktop app and make sure you have the Steam desktop app. So on the Oculus app, you're going to click right into it. You want to keep it open right here and ensure that you have Steam downloaded, because you're going to have to download SteamVR within Steam. So as soon as you download Steam, you need to download SteamVR. So those are three things actually. SteamVR. And this is what I have right here. You'll see SteamVR and it's within Steam. You open up the Oculus app, because what you're going to have to do is that when you put on your headset, it's very, very easy when you put on your headset. You're going to have to go into settings and you're going to go ahead and have to air link it up. So in order to air link, you'll go to your settings and it's into your settings. And after that, it's going to give you a code so you can finally activate your PC and your headset together. It's a lot easier than it was before. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, as we're in our headset, I'm going to go ahead and go to AirLink through settings. You click it on, hit continue. Then it's going to ask right here and give you an option. Hit that menu option tab. Then it's going to give you the option for your own PC. Connect to your PC. Now you have to go put in that code that I was initiating earlier. Now you are officially logged into PCVR through the Oculus Home. So this is the Oculus Home. Now we got to transition over to Steam. So in order to get to Steam, we're going to have to go through to our desktop. And you can see me right here doing it through the visual. I'm going to look down. I'm looking around. And this is the way it looks. It looks awesome, by the way. Hit the desktop. You can see it down here. So you want to hit that desktop. Boom. Hit it. Now you're essentially going to be back into your overall, basically whatever you see through your headset now is going to be controlled. You can see me controlling my mouse through my VR controllers, which is really awesome. Now I'm circling on over, looking over for SteamVR within the Steam app. You can see me click SteamVR right here. Then we're going to launch SteamVR. Launch it, and it's going to send you to a whole new, brand new, beautiful home. This is the Steam home now. So you get an Oculus home and a Steam home in PCVR. Now these are my only games that I only have in Steam because I love everything through the native Quest. You can look for any other games you want through the store and more, but through this library essential, we're gonna go ahead and just search around, play around a little bit. You can see Pacify. I don't know if that's gonna be a VR one, but you can see everything going down. More store stuff. Just search around, have fun with it, especially if it's your first time. You always want to be able to just try to experience everything. For some fun deep dives and examples, you can see all the stuff that the store has to offer. Now there's a lot of similarities to what the Quest 2 already has as a standalone, but there is a few trademark games that I am going to show you right now, which is why we love to play PCVR, of course, and which is why we are trying to get into this essential, especially wirelessly. Now wirelessly is amazing through the AirLink. So for this example, we're going to be doing Phasmophobia, the one and only, logging into Phasmophobia. I am very scared to play this game, by the way. And then we're going to log into it. You can see it loading up. It's going to say use headphones for your immersive. So right here, now we're officially in Phasmophobia VR via AirLink. And look how crispy it looks. It looks amazing. They did do some updates to it, so I love it. This is just us at the menu running around, giving y'all some fun samples, just because we're not going to go straight into more of a gameplay, just rather knowing that we can get into SteamVR pretty easily. So you can see that I love the way this game looks on PCVR, by the way. When you jump into PCVR from a Quest native, it's just it's night and day, but it does take a lot of power. So ensure that you are ready with that Wi-Fi and have your PC hardware connected for sure. Just like that, you all, that's how you play PCVR games on SteamVR completely wireless. We're also going to be teaching you how to stream PCVR games wireless soon also, so ensure that you are keeping up with your boy and let us know everything. We appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. It really means the world.